Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the problem. F of x equals to k times x positive 4 times x negative 10. Here we have a quadratic function. In the quadratic function, f above k is a constant. The graph of the function in the xy plane is a parabola with vertex a comma b. If b equals to negative 7, which of the following is equal to k? Okay, here we have the vertex of the parabola. The x coordinate of the vertex is a, the y coordinate of the vertex is b, and we have the y coordinate of the vertex, that is b equals to negative 7. Then the vertex will be a comma negative 7. That is, we can plug in negative 7 for b over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the two x-intercepts of the parabola. Once I get the two x-intercepts, I can get the average of the two x-intercepts. So the average of the two x-intercepts is equal to the x-coordinate, that is the value of a at the vertex. Okay, now let me get the x-intercept of the parabola. So for that, let me consider given quadratic function. Usually in the given quadratic function, we can consider y for this f of x. Then the given quadratic function will become y equals to k times x positive 4 times x negative 10. Okay, now to get the x-intercepts of the parabola, we have to plug in y equals to 0. When I do so, then I'm getting 0 equals to k times x positive 4 times x negative 10 equals to 0. Here, the product of three quantities is equal to 0. That is, the first quantity is k, second one is x positive 4, and the third one is x negative 10. Actually, k is a constant. So this constant k cannot be 0. If k is equal to 0, then we'll not have a quadratic function. Then we'll not be getting a graph parabola on the xy plane. So anyways, the constant k cannot be 0. So then if k is not equal to 0, then either this one has to be 0 or this one has to be 0, because the product of the three quantities equals to 0. So if x positive 4 equals to 0, then we get x equals to negative 4. If x negative 10 equals to 0, then we get x equals to positive 10. Okay, now I got the two x-intercepts. Now to get the x-coordinate of the vertex A, what I have to do is I have to find the average of the two x-intercepts over here. To get the average of these two x-intercepts, I have to add these two values and divide by 2. When I add negative 4 and positive 10, I'm getting 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now I got the x-coordinate of the vertex A, that is 3 comma negative 7. Okay, now we have the vertex 3 comma negative 7. Okay, actually the vertex is a point we have on the parabola. So since we have this point 3 comma negative 7 on the parabola, we can plug in this point into the equation of the parabola. So actually equation of the parabola is nothing but the quadratic function we have over here. So in this quadratic function, we can replace this f of x by y. Okay, let me replace this f of x by y. Then I'm getting y equals to k times x positive 4 times x negative 10. Since we have this point, the vertex is on the parabola, let's plug in this 3, x coordinate 3 for x over here and here, and the y coordinate negative 7 for y over here. Then I'm getting negative 7 equals to k times 3 positive 4 times 3 negative 10. Then I'm getting negative 7 equals to k times 3 positive 4 is 7 and 3 negative 10 is negative 7. Then we get negative 7 equals to k times, when I multiply this 7 and negative 7, I'm getting negative 49. Okay, now to solve for k, I have to divide both sides by negative 49 to get rid of this negative 49, which is multiplied by k. Let me divide the left side by negative 49. So this negative 49 will cancel. Here this negative will cancel out. 7 goes into 7 one time, 7 goes into 49, 7 times. We get 1 over 7 on the left side, on the right side we have k. Now I got the value of k. The value of k is 1 over 7. We find 1 over 7 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.